Hello, my name is Sydney. Welcome to Turkey Travel Planner. I am here to give you an update 1 year later, February 6th, 2024, of the earthquake that happened in Turkey this time last year. If you aren't aware of the earthquake, on February 6th of 2023, a 7.8 magnitude hit 11 provinces here in Turkey. And just 9 hours later, on that very same day, a second earthquake of a 7.5 magnitude hit once again, affecting more people and requiring more lives lost. Just to give a visualization of how big and deep this earthquake expanded, 2 earthquakes were felt as far away as Syria, Cyprus, Greece, Jordan, Lebanon, Iraq, Georgia, Armenia, Egypt, and Israel. 13.5 million people, along with 2 million of them being refugees, were residing in these provinces when this happened. The number of lives lost in Turkey alone is over 55,000 people, with the hiring number of those being injured well over 100,000 people, including over 173,000 buildings collapsed, with over 500,000 buildings being damaged. Today, the number of buildings still needing to be demolished is over 109,000. 1 year later, there are still thousands of families living in tents that were first issued to them this time last year due to simple lack of housing. Now, with numerous relief organizations, both local and international, have played a pivotal role in providing aid, shelter, and medical assistance. Lives have been rebuilt, homes began reconstruction, and hope has been rekindled. Yet, as we acknowledge our progress, let us not forget that the road to recovery is still ongoing. I personally witnessed incredible humility and resilience that surpassed all challenges as the Turkish community stood with such commitment in rebuilding what was lost. I am one among hundreds of people who have had the opportunity to assist in humanitarian aid relief. Traveling to these provinces throughout the past year, I can say there are others still in temporary shelters, communities that are still awaiting crucial infrastructural repairs, and individuals grappling with the emotional aftermath. Although there has been a shift and positive progress, for instance, education reopening, funds still ongoing, and local shops being reestablished to support economic growth. The commitment to rebuilding extends beyond the initial immediate aftermath of the earthquake. So with all of that said, this is where Turkey is 1 year later, in February 6th, 2024. Below in the description, we will link ways that you can support Turkey and help specifically for earthquake relief.